This is the receipt of me earning $11 an hour doing a 5-hour basic clean. Now, this is a receipt of my company making just over $2,000 in a day. How did I go from $11 to $2,000 in a day? Stay tuned and I'm going to break down exactly how I did it. Hello, it's Chanique here, the Cleaning Authority boss, helping new and inspiring entrepreneurs start and grow your remote cleaning business. So if you want to know everything sales, marketing, and productivity, be sure to subscribe. I'm on my way to 10K subscribers, so your subs, likes, and comments are going to help other entrepreneurs like you find my channel, my value, so they too could enjoy this channel. When first starting my business, I did everything myself. I didn't want to invest in a CRM system. Let me correct myself. It's not that I didn't want to. I believe I couldn't and I couldn't afford it. And instead of having a mindset of what I need to do and the steps I need to take, and it was exhausting myself. There was a time that I did a 7-hour clean all by myself. It came to a point where I wanted to quit my business. I was resentful. I had such body aches, and having a business was not fun at all. I thought that if I had cleaners, it would cut into my profit. They wouldn't do a good job. I would get a bad reputation, and everything I started will come crumbling down, all because I invested in my business. Does that sound familiar? I did not get the $2,000 a day without a team. You need to scale your business outside of your individuality. That's why this foundational piece is the reason I can confidently make $1,000, $2,000 a day without doing the cleaning. This is exactly that method to launching your remote cleaning business in your spare time. Shameless plug, it's a free training. Let's get into that method. C is for your cleaners. I could not have seen a revenue growth without having more cleaners. You can only clean as much as you can show up. But if you have a team to do the cleaning for you, you can make more income. You might think, okay, but what if they mess up my reputation because they don't clean as good as me? The reality is no one's going to clean as good as you because you clean in a particular way and you cannot clone someone identically to you. But if there wasn't other good cleaners out there, there wouldn't be hundreds of other cleaning companies getting 5-star reviews. The beauty of this method. There's tons of other cleaning companies getting 5-star reviews, and what you want to do is vet and find cleaners that clean well and have a good reputation. You can check one of my previous videos on how to find reliable cleaners. If I were to start over, I would start remote and find reliable cleaners. Next up is attraction, which is huge. You may have C, cleaners, but if you do not have A, the ability to attract high-paying clients, it doesn't matter if you have tons of cleaners sitting there waiting for jobs and you don't have jobs to give them. The goal is to get in front of as many people as possible and then manufacture that same ability to close those people and continuously to do it again. In my free training, I break down a complete way to get in front of 100 new leads completely free. And I'm going to continue to tell you to click the link in my bio to go to this free training, because why wouldn't you? Getting in front of as many clients, leads as possible is key. But when you get in front of them, your website needs to seal the deal. That's where today's sponsor, Durable, comes in. An AI-powered website builder that makes creating a beautiful, functional, and SEO-friendly website super easy. If you're running a cleaning business, especially remote, having a fully functional, easy-to-use website is super helpful to landing more clients. And Durable makes the process super easy and simple. They even have built-in SEO features. Durable helps you generate SEO-friendly headlines that includes keywords that your ideal client would be searching for on Google. Your ability to have clear and engaging call to action is going to be helpful. And Durable helps provide catchy call to action. Simple and easy, straightforward call to actions are book a quote, book now, request a quote are my 3 favorites. Next, do not forget a client testimonial section. Durable makes it easy to display real-time client reviews on your website, building trust and credibility. The best part, you can set up a professional AI-generated website within 30 seconds. Yes, within a few clicks, you can generate your website. Now try Durable completely free. Plus, for your first 3 months, you'll get 30% off with any plan you choose. Let me know how you love it. But in the academy, the 5 power plays to attracting high-paying clients is this. A, for ads, we love Google LSA. C is for cold emailing and calling in the effective way. T is for targeting professionals. I is your inner circle, and N is for networking. Use your network to share and rave about your business to get in front of more leads for more income. Building business or relationship and getting amongst other influencers in the space so you can have partnerships. B is building a business that doesn't require you 24/7. And the two most important ways to do so is automations and your virtual assistant support. Automations include your CRM system, your cold emailing systems. Anything that you can automate so that you don't have to do it manually is going to help run your business without you having to be present 24/7. Hiring a virtual assistant to take on at least half to 100% of the workload is going to change everything. Now, if you know me, you know my channel, don't sell you a dream. For hiring a VA, you do need to understand the operations of your business so that you can train your VA correctly and effectively. And that's why you want to join the Cleaning Authority Boss Academy, because I have a full section dedicated to hiring and everything you need to do to set up for your VA. And here's the beauty of it all. Whether you are on vacation, you're in your bed, you're sick, you rather be with your family, you have a business that runs without you 24/7. Of course, it's your baby. Of course, it's your pride and joy, but still running without you. Who wants a glorified job? You want more freedom, more income, and that's what the CIB method is about. Building a remote legacy. With cleaners, action, and building a business that doesn't run without you, you will go from $11 to $2,000 a day without breaking your back. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if this helps. And check out the free training that breaks down this method even further, as well as exactly what you'll get in the Cleaning Authority Boss Academy. All right, see you in my next video.